What's up, my fellow participants of life? Guys, we're going to jump right on in here and see what is going on for my collective, what we need to be aware of, the good, the bad, the ugly, the unjust, the indifferent. We need to know, right, guys? And that is why I am here, to shine a little light on the subject matter for you, possibly in a gray area of your life, guys. But with that being said, let's get it. Archangel Michael, come down and protect me as I channel these messages from the highest white light. Holy Spirit, holy angels, spirit guides, guardian angels, passed over loved ones, clear and honest answers only, please and thank you. Please block any negative energies trying to interfere with the messages coming out for my collective. Guys, remember, it could be your energy that I picked up on, someone else's energy that you are associated with on a daily, or it could be somebody in their day-to-day life energy that I've tapped into. So if it don't fit, guys, don't force it. Just let it be. Take it as an intuitive exercise, possibly a new perspective, or a prior warning for what's to take place in your life, guys. But let's see what's going on. What do we need to be aware of? Holy Spirit, what's going on? What do we need to be aware of, please and thank you? Okay, first couple out. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. 1:18 on the clock. There's a lot going on behind the scenes. 1:24 on the clock. Life is such a great teacher that when you don't learn the lesson, it will repeat it. 1:35 on the clock, collective. Somebody has selfish actions here. 1:41 on the clock. And real recognizes real. 1:48 on the clock. Okay, so let's just get one more for my collective. Please and thank you, Holy Spirit. Just one more. Let's see what's going on here. Let me just get one, please. Holy Spirit, just one, please, and thank you. Okay, there we go. Somebody is sorry, not sorry. 2:15 on the clock, collective. Yeah, they don't give two shits is what I just heard in my head. But let's see what's going on here. Bottom of the deck, overall energy of this reading. Oh, ooh-wee. Overall energy. Birds of a feather flock together. 2:35, was it? Yeah, 2:35 on the clock, collective. Alright, guys, we got somebody who likes to fit in, people pleaser possibly, or just hangs out with, you know, people of their own kind, like attracts like, you know, the same vibrational energy here. But birds of a feather flocking together. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction, and there's a lot going on behind the scenes. And life is such a good teacher that when you don't learn the lesson, it will repeat it. And somebody has selfish actions here, and they don't know, but they don't realize evidently what they're doing, because these selfish actions fall up under for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So just take that in, collective, and remember that, because, yeah, something is coming back. These selfish actions are coming back to bite somebody in the ass here. But let's move forward. Let's see what's going on here. Let's get the overall subject matter of the situation, person, place, thing, or idea when it comes to this energy of birds of a feather flocking together here. Let's see what we need to know here. This is the overall subject matter at hand, person, place, thing, or idea here. Let's see what's going on. Clear and honest answers only, please and thank you. What is the overall subject matter at hand when it comes to this birds of a feather flocking together for my collective? What do we need to know here? What is the overall subject matter at hand? Okay, we had two that came out, walked on out of the deck here. We have sudden wealth, 4:19 on the clock, the number 11. So this has to do with some kind of sudden wealth. Ooh, and then somebody in poverty. We have the opposites here, 4:28. Somebody in some form of lack, mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, guys. Just take it how it relates. Bottom of the deck. A mature man, 4:41 on the clock. So, the number 5 on top of this card. Let's see what the overall 11, 12, 13, 14. 4 and 1 is 5. 5 and 5 is 10. 10 and 7 is 17, and 1 and 7 is 8. Yeah, something is coming back full circle. Life is such a good teacher that when you don't learn the lesson, it will repeat it. Yeah, something's coming back full circle. Somebody's learning. Something's coming back to bite somebody in the ass. These selfish actions here, most definitely. Guys, you know what type of energy you walk around in, and you know what type of energies you deal with on a daily. So put yourself where you fit, and these energies on my table, guys. But let's get to the situation here. Please and thank you. So we have this energy is about a mature man here. Birds of a feather flocking together here. I don't know exactly what is going on. I feel like this is this energy right here is not the only one. Of course, obviously, when this flock gets together here, there's some selfish actions amongst these energies here, guys. Yeah. I just heard buzzards. They're like buzzards. One goes down, they eat it. You know, they take all their shit, and like it's just, it's insanity here in this group. Whatever this group is here, this flock. Oh, Lord. They're money hungry is what I just heard. Unempathetic, not real with oneself. Very materialistic energy here that's going on. But let's see. Holy Spirit, Holy Angels, what do we need to know here for every action? There's an equal and opposite reaction. What is this energy about? What is this situation when it comes to this energy here? For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. What do we need to know? What is the situation about? That's way too many. There's a lot of stuff that's been done here that has created a karmic loop in someone's life. But let's see. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Yeah, because somebody's closed in, trapped, feeling frustrated, in a lockbox, mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. Guys, take it how it relates. 7-11 on the clock as I look down. Okay, let's see what the energy, what about this energy? There's a lot going on behind the scenes. What is the situation about when it comes to this? There's a lot going on behind the scenes. I like the nightlife. I like to boogie. Somebody's nightlife, 732. They got a lot going on in their nightlife. Gambling, taking a risk, Vegas here. Somebody likes to take risks. Live on the edge a little bit too much here. Very selfish energy. All about oneself. Very self-righteous is what I just heard. But life is such a good teacher that when you don't learn a lesson, it will repeat it. What is the situation about? Yeah, somebody is having some kind of meeting. 2 or more people discussing and planning. It don't matter how much you discuss or plan. If you don't learn the lesson, or you're out here trying to teach a lesson and you need to learn a lesson, it's not going to fall. It's not going to go through, man. Fix yourself first. Fix your skeletons in your own closet before you go messing with somebody else, okay? Because it just ain't going to go through right. And that's just how it is, man. And that's how it's always going to be. You cannot, I don't know, call out somebody's flaws and not have, expect yours not to be revealed with oneself, guys. But selfish action here, what do we need to know when it comes to this energy of selfish action? What was the situation about? Okay, denial. Somebody is in denial of being very selfish, not facing the truth, irrational reasoning. Was that 9:02 on the clock when I seen that? This person that has these selfish actions, they are very much so in denial here. But real recognizes real. What do we need to know here when it comes to this real recognizing real, please, Holy Spirit? Let's just get one, please, on this energy of real recognizing real. What is this situation about, please? Bounty hunter, chaser, hot pursuit. Real recognizes real. So somebody is doing something behind the scenes, possibly, behind closed doors, nightlife, taking a risk here. And they're in hot pursuit of possibly the truth, real, recognizing real here. But let's see, moving forward. I had one that was flipped over already. Yeah. Let's see. Sorry, not sorry. What is this What is the situation here when it comes to this energy of sorry, not sorry? You can meet all you want to, but this discussing and planning of 2 or more people, that's the overall situation of this energy of life is such a good teacher that when you don't learn the lesson, it will repeat it. Oh, Lord, this group of people, this flock here, they're sorry, not sorry. This has to do with money, guys. This is terrible. Regardless, this flock is fixing to learn a major lesson here. Yeah, sorry, not sorry. They're very petty, immature, 10:50 on the clock, gossiping, jealous, envious. Oh, Lord of mercy. My nose is itching. Confirmation. Bottom of the deck. Wow. Intervention, rescue, others involved. This birds of a feather here, this flock here, that this mature man is a part of, they're trying to get others involved. 11:16, take that, how you will, collective, but we have intervention, rescue, others involved is the overall situation when it comes to this energy of this mature man in this flock here, and it has to do. This mature man is dealing with some kind of sudden wealth that has put him in some kind of lack because he was selfish. This flock is going to learn a lesson today. Their feathers are fixing to get plucked where they can't take flight and have this meeting or, take this money from people. I don't know what has happened here, guys, but I'm going to get as much clarity on the situation as I can, as the universe will allow me to give, guys. But gossiping, petty, jealous, envious energy, that's sorry, not sorry. They don't, they act like they care, but they really, truly don't. There's a lot going on behind the scenes here, guys. Let's clarify. Let's get it out. Guys, I hope everybody had a fabulous weekend. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day, guys. Let's see what it's going to be here. We've got somebody this flock here trying to get others involved, or this mature man is trying to get this flock involved that he is associated with. Guys, I don't know, but we're going to figure it out as much as I can. So let's get it. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Somebody feeling like they're in a lockbox, closed in, trapped, and frustrated. What do we need to know here, please and thank you? Let's get some clarity, a little bit more insight here, please. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Somebody walking around here trying to win at all costs, but will ultimately be defeated. They're very selfish. Will try to, throw the stone, hide their hand type energy. There's a lot going on behind this energy right here. Let me just tell you. That's why they're feeling the way they're feeling. You can't walk around here being selfish and being sorry, not sorry, and not learning lessons and doing a lot of crap behind the scenes and playing like you're the innocent here when I don't truly feel like that this person is innocent at all. I mean, we start out with the Five of Swords. Then we have a Nine of Cups energy. 1353. This is a single energy, guys. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. What else do we need to know here? Yeah, this was a very bad investment. 1405, the Seven of Pentacles, guys. This flipped over in my hand. This is a very shallow, superficial, no layers, no substance, no depth type energy. Won't make moves unless money's involved. And we start out with the sudden wealth as far as the overall subject matter at hand. And somebody feeling in lack. Somebody thought that, I don't know, that the truth would not come to light, which that's just crazy, irrational thinking here. I mean, denial, irrational thinking, selfish action. I mean, it's always going to come out. The truth don't need any kind of backup or motivation or assistance. The bullshit does, guys. And Somebody's finna learn something today. Let me just tell you. There's a lot going on behind the scenes. What do we need to know here? Yeah, the devil. He's playing in the shadows. He's like, come on, we got this. We can do this. Like, you came to me for whatever this selfish action was about. 15, 13. But best believe that when you reach that hand right there of that devil, that you are in his domain. He rules your energy. So therefore, expect some kind of blowback for sure. Because the devil is all about the tricks, all about the confusion, the chaos. He'll say, oh, I can do that for you, but best believe he will come to collect when he has done it. And it ain't going to come out in your favor, regardless. Okay? The devil is obsession. Grust. I don't know where that came from. Grust. I don't even know if that is a word. Let me look. I don't, for some reason. Let me look. Probably not, but just bear with me. Oh, so grust is calcium, lime, rust, and other unsavory substances. Huh. Oh, Lord. Guys, what I'm getting from this, with this devil card, this nightlife, there's a lot going on behind the scenes. Somebody needs to watch, see the drink? Somebody needs to watch their drink. If you go to the bathroom and you're out in a club or just eating, it don't matter. And you have a drink, you might want to not drink that drink. Get another drink. Just leave that one be. Is what I'm hearing. This is craziness. Because grust, I said grust, and it is legitimately, it's an unsavory substance. It says especially, let's see. Especially those tough to clean ones. Oh. Lord, guys. Let's see. Let's get two more on this devil and a lot going on behind the scenes. Somebody's nightlife. This has to do with someone's emotional Ace of Cups, guys. 1753. This is a blessing from the universe as far as somebody doing this to their Ace of Cups. Oh, my goodness. The devil has distorted someone's ability to discern here. They got everything misconstrued. I don't know exactly what's going on. Let's move forward. I don't want to get hung up too long. Let's get one more on this. A lot going on behind the scenes. A Nine of Pentacles energy inverted here. This is a single energy as well. But this is not a force to be reckoned with, guys. So the devil, somebody's not like, ooh-wee. Oh, wow. Let's see where this is going, guys. Wow. This is some tea here. Life is such a good teacher that when you don't learn a lesson, it will repeat it. Yeah, because somebody's in regret, remorse, crying over spilt milk. What was that? 1859 on the clock. Yeah, that's why they're having this get-together, this meeting, this come to Jesus meeting. We'll come to the devil meeting is basically what it is because they're selfish. That's what happens. Yeah, somebody jumped into a situation before they did their homework, before they knew what they were getting themselves into. 1917 on the clock. Let's get one more. Life is such a good teacher that it will repeat the lesson if you don't learn it. What's going on? Somebody needs to take on new adventures here. 1931. Or took on new adventures. Yeah, this flock here is a meeting because this flock is in regret, remorse for jumping into a situation before they knew what they were getting themselves into here. They didn't know that the devil was ruler of this scenario here, basically. And, you know, the devil's all about the confusion, like I said, the tricks and the chaos and the turmoil and the upheavals and the oh, he's all about it. That's just that's what that's what he does on his spare time, you know. Let's see here, guys. But let's see. This group here, someone going to this group to get others involved. This flock here, this mature man. Somebody jumped into a situation, taking on new adventures here, and it's fixing to teach them a lesson. They did something that they normally, out of character, that they normally wouldn't do. I don't know, but that just doesn't. Selfish actions, denial, facing truth, irrational reasoning. What do we need to know here, please? Yeah, this has to do with contracts and collaborations done behind the scenes. 21 on the clock. This has to do with somebody's peace of mind, body, and soul. Yeah, the devil is saying I got another one. That's what I just heard. Three of Pentacles, this selfish actions, what's going on? Yeah, somebody needs the Eight of Cups, this situation, 21:22 on the clock. Wow. They need to walk away from this selfish energy. Yeah, because there's all kinds of lies and illusions, 21:35, or somebody manifested this situation in their life. Oh, Lordy, something's fixing to happen, guys. This selfish actions, this person in denial here when it comes to this bad investment, it had to do with freaking money. I don't care what nobody says. Money is the root of all evil. I mean, I just think it is. Yeah, this has to do with longevity. Someone's longevity. Real, recognizing real. Somebody in hot pursuit of their purpose. 22:08 on the clock. Or getting in the way of someone's path, their purpose, their longevity in life. We have an Emperor. 22:16 on the clock. Whether this Emperor is this energy here that's trying to get in the way of someone's longevity, of this real energy, is in hot pursuit of this real, recognizing real here. Let me get one more on this, please. Let me get one more on this real, recognizing real. Guys, this has to do with somebody. Oh, it kind of landed inverted. This either has to do with somebody receiving some kind of money, inheritance, sudden wealth here, or someone getting back what they have put in, you know, being very selfish, something coming back full circle here. And it has to do with money regardless, guys. Oh, Lord. Let's see what this this petty, jealous, envious energy here. This group of people, yeah. This flock is not getting this money. 23:30 on the clock. They're not receiving this Ace of Pentacles. Because they're selfish. God has stepped in and said, no, you can't be doing that. Or he has stepped aside and said, it's all yours, talking to the devil here. Either or. Somebody is birds of a feather flocking together. There's some kind of situation fixing to play out here. Let me get two more on this. Yeah, there's been an injustice. 24:10 on the clock. Guys, when justice appears on my table in a reading, standing in the upright or inverted, this is an injustice. Somebody has done someone wrong in some way, form, or fashion. Collective, whether you're a part of this flock or this group or this mature man or vice versa, this is being done to you. Put yourself where you fit, but behind that, this is not someone's wish fulfillment. 24:36, this is not. They're sorry, not sorry. This injustice, all these are inverted. This energy right here needs to grow up. They're very petty. They're very jealous. They're very envious. And you know why? Because they're unhealed. They've not taken the time to sit down and realize and recognize the unhealed aspects and wounds within oneself. They like to get others involved, blame other people about ish that, they are in lack of. And that's what the devil is about. The devil is having a good old time here in this situation. Bottom of the deck. Somebody needs to take their power back. 25:16 on the clock. From whatever's going on here, because there's a major blowback fixing to happen. They're trying to get others involved. This mature man needs to walk away while they can with some kind of integrity intact. But I think it's all out the window. It's been this was the final test here. That's why we have lack. Somebody failed a major test in their life. We have the Strength card is the overall energy here. Someone tried to stand 10 toes down in this energy here. Oh, wow. Somebody needs to stand in their power. Have strength. Birds of a feather flocking together. Trying to get others involved. This mature man is fighting with some kind of lack as far as sudden wealth. I don't know what has went on here, guys, but somebody has been very, very selfish. And their actions as far as things going on behind the scenes, they're coming to light here, man. And this injustice, this sorry, not sorry, very petty, jealous, envious energy, they're not getting the money. They're not getting their wish. Somebody has taken their power back, collective. I don't know what end of the spectrum that you are on from this situation. That's why this mature man is in some form of lack here. And he's trying to get others involved to, I don't know, help the bullshit stand true, but it won't work. Five of Swords. Someone ultimately trying to betray somebody. A single energy. That it's a bad investment, all in all. There's a lot going on behind the scenes. The devil, which is pride, lust, envy, greed, messing with someone's emotional Ace of Cups, a blessing from the universe, with somebody who has not done the work, a single energy. So the devil has a pawn in this situation, most definitely, that is messing with someone's Ace of Cups situation. There's a lot going on behind the scenes. Somebody is taking a risk. Somebody is having a meeting. Life is such a good teacher that when you don't learn a lesson, it will repeat it. Because they're in regret and remorse about jumping into a situation where they took on new adventures here. In a contracts and collaborations done behind the scenes. There was a lot of selfish actions, a lot of denial. Somebody needs to walk away from this. Somebody has manifested working beside the devil a situation in their life, being very self-righteous. The Magician. Somebody is in hot pursuit of the truth. Someone is in hot pursuit of recognizing someone's longevity, their path, their purpose. A father figure, a boss, a CEO. We have an emperor here. And his inheritance that he didn't receive, or somebody, guys, somebody is very money hungry, superficial, so, energy here that is trying to get in the way of someone's emotional wish fulfillment, their Ace of Pentacles, their justice in life. Somebody needs to stand in their power. Yeah, the Hierophant, the Ten of Pentacles. This unhealed energy made a bad choice in a lover situation. Something is coming to light here about this Empress inverted. They're off balance. This situation took place in the past. They're untruthful. Somebody moving successfully forward to victory, patience, peace. You're going to receive money, receive information. Ooh, guys. Let me just remind you that the devil is the ruler of what's going on here. This shit is not going to play out the way somebody wants it to. God has taken his hands and stepped aside from this situation. And the devil is having a good old time here, guys. Somebody's very greedy, very selfish. Collective, just stand in your power. I don't know what end of the spectrum that you are on here, but somebody needs to stand strong. Focus on yourself, collective, because there's been an injustice in your life, and it has to do with money. What people don't understand is the ways of God are far greater than the ways of man. It don't matter how many meetings you have, how many new adventures, or however many other people you want to get involved. It don't matter. God will let you get it all together. And in the last minute of what's going down, God will step in and say, I think not. Guys, I don't know. Put yourself where you fit in these energies, but yeah, somebody's learning a lesson. This karmic loop is coming back. These selfish actions are coming back to play a major part in someone's life, guys. And that's what I have for you today, guys. Divine Blueprint 528. Love and light, guys. Deuces and smooches.